SAMWU e kgapetse thoko thebolelo ya tlhatloso ya meputso ya diperesente di le 28 e rebotsweng ke SALGA. Ba ikuela gore Tona ya Matlotlo Tito Mboweni a imise go itshunya nko le go tlhotlheletsa SALGA mo dipuisanong. Mokgatlo wa badiri ga wa itumedisiwa ke go romelwa ga batlhankela ba kemo e kwa tlase go tla go buisana nabo. Le fa go le yalo ba neelane ka ditopo tsa bona.
Our collective agreement does not speak about Tito Mboweni. Instead of telling negotiators the amount of percentage that they must negotiate, go back and make it so you calculate better and give them 4,000 rand per employee of the municipality, with effect from 1 July.
SAMWU e kgapetse thoko dipego tsa Mayor Ranteng Williams tsa gore masepala ga ona matlole. Ba mo latofatsa ka go ikgatholosa maikarabelo a masepala go badiri.
Tshwantse ba re fe salary increase ya 4,000 rand, re batla 3,500 ya housing allowance, re batla minimum wage mo masepala in 15,000, re batla 80-20 ya di medical aid.
It is absolutely necessary that we respond with facts and not with emotion, right? Because we are all in this together. Because collectively we have to make the city work.
SAMWU ya re ditherisanong tsa meputso tsa labone le labotlhano e tlile go nna maiteko a bona a bofelo. Ba tshoseditse go bolotsa setraeke sa bosetšhaba fa ditopo tsa bona di sa sekegelwe tsebe. Gwantetse Timo, SABC News, Pretoria.
Ka go le lengwe Progressive Youth Alliance ye bupiago ke Maloko a mokgatlo wa baswa wa makomonisi le ANC e nyaka gore Tona ya Matlotlo Tito Mboweni a theoge setulong. Ba mo latofatsa ka go se tšeele hlogong ditlhotlho tše maAfrika Borwa le bagane go le tšona tšatši ka tšatši. Maloko a mokgatlo a hlwele a ipšitše lengwala la dingongorego diofising tša Tona Mboweni ka mono Johannesburg. Afrika Borwa e gare itukišetša go keteka kgwedi ya baswa eupša baswa ba re ga bana le seo ba ka se ketekago.
It has been a historical reality that the National Treasury has always been hostile to the working class and the poor. But it becomes worse when you get an extraordinary person who's very arrogant steering that department.
We believe that the National Treasury has always behaved like a super ministry. We believe that the current political head, who is Mr. Tito Mboweni, he's actually become the epitome of extreme arrogance in that particular position.
Bagwanti ba file Tona nako ya kgwedi go arabela dilo tša bona go seng bjalo ba ya go tšhela presidente ka megogo union buildings.